how to add on these layover no-seams screen panels. You're going to get yourself some 2-inch super sticky automotive masking tape like this. Put the masking tape all around the edges of the screen frame. Then flip it over like that so the sticky part's facing up. Then you're going to use this HH66 adhesive and you'll spread it all around the edges of the frame, all the way around like that. Then you'll take the frame with the tape all the way around and the glue all the way around, and you'll lift it up, stick it on the camper, rub the tape down until the glue dries. Then put more of this glue around the edges to seal it or stick it down better later on. Here's an example of how the glue works. You put it on pretty thick. So it's kind of standing sort of tall like that. And then you're going to take those screen frames and push them onto the camper like that, and your tape will be holding it down around the edges while the glue sets. I think it takes about 24 hours for this glue to fully cure. So you're going to tape it down nice and tight with the roof up and a nice dry day, and let it sit for 24 hours for those screen panels to stick on. I guess I'd recommend trying one first just to make sure you're comfortable with the process, and then do the rest. That's how you do it. Have a great day.